Everyday English conversation practice. At the airport. Check-in and baggage drop. Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Are you checking in any luggage today?
Yes. I have one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale.
Okay.
Your bag is within the weight limit. Do you have any carry-on luggage?
Yes. Just this backpack.
That's fine. Here's your boarding pass. Your flight departs from gate 15A at 10:30 a.m. Please be at the gate at least 30 minutes before departure.
Got it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great flight. Security check. Good morning. Please place your bags on the conveyor belt.
Sure. Do I need to remove my laptop?
Yet, laptops and large electronics must be placed in a separate tray.
Okay. Here you go.
Any liquids or sharp objects in your bag?
No, I don't have any.
Please step through the scanner.
All right.
Please raise your arms for a quick check.
Sure.
All good. You can collect your belongings. Have a nice flight.
Thank you.
Asking for directions to the gate.
Excuse me. Could you tell me where gate 15A is?
Sure. Go straight down this hallway, then turn right. You'll see gate 15A on your left.
Thank you. How long does it take to walk there?
About 5 minutes. Boarding starts 30 minutes before departure, so you still have time.
Got it. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great flight. Buying a snack at the airport. Hello. How can I help you?
Hi. I'd like a bottle of water and a sandwich, please.
Sure. That will be $8.50.
Can I pay by card?
Yet, we accept both cash and card.
Great. Here's my card.
Thank you. Here's your receipt. Have a nice day.
Thanks. You too.
Talking to the flight attendant.
Excuse me. Could I get a blanket, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Also, what time will we be landing?
We're expected to land at 3:15 p.m. local time.
Perfect. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else. Asking about a flight delay.
Hi. I just saw that flight BA203 is delayed. Do you know how long the delay will be?
Yet, the flight is delayed by 45 minutes due to weather conditions.
Will the new boarding time be updated on the screen?
Yes, and we'll also make announcements in the waiting area.
Okay. Thank you for the information.
You're welcome. Lost luggage at baggage claim.
Excuse me. My suitcase hasn't arrived. What should I do?
I'm sorry to hear that. Can I have your baggage claim ticket?
Sure. Here it is.
Thank you. Let me check our system. It looks like your bag is still in New York.
Oh no. When will it arrive?
It should be on the next flight and arrive tomorrow. We can deliver it to your hotel.
That would be great. Thank you for your help.
No problem. Changing a seat on the plane.
Excuse me, my seat is in the middle. Is there any chance I can switch to a window seat?
Let me check. There's an available window seat in row 18. Would you like to move there?
Yes, that would be perfect.
Great. Here's your new boarding pass. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you so much.
Asking about immigration forms.
Excuse me, do I need to fill out an immigration form before landing?
Yet, if you're a visitor, you'll need to complete this form.
All right. Do you have a pen I could borrow?
Of course. Here you go.
Thanks.
Asking about connecting flights.
Hi, my flight arrived late. Do I still have time to catch my connection to Tokyo?
Let me check. Yes, your next flight departs from gate 22B. If you hurry, you'll make it.
Do I need to go through security again?
No, just follow the signs for international transfers.
Got it. Thanks a lot.
Reporting a lost item.
Hi, I think I left my phone in the security check area.
Can you describe it?
It's a black iPhone with a blue case.
Let me check. Yes, someone turned it in. Here it is.
Oh, thank you so much.
Ordering a meal on the plane. Would you like chicken or vegetarian pasta for your meal?
I'll have the chicken, please.
All right. Would you like something to drink?
A cup of coffee, please.
Coming right up. Asking for Wi-Fi on the plane.
Excuse me, does this flight have Wi-Fi?
Yes, you can purchase a Wi-Fi pass through our in-flight entertainment system.
Great. How much does it cost?
$10 for the entire flight.
Okay, I'll buy it.
Talking to a fellow passenger. Hi, is this your first time flying to London?
No, I've been there a few times. How about you?
It's my first visit. Any recommendations?
Definitely. You should visit the Tower of London and Buckingham Palace.
That sounds amazing. Booking a taxi at the airport.
Hi, where can I book a taxi to downtown?
You can book one at the taxi counter over there or use a ride-hailing app.
Which option is cheaper?
Ride-hailing apps are usually cheaper, but taxis are more convenient.
All right, I'll take a taxi. Thank you.
Requesting special assistance.
Excuse me, I need assistance getting to my gate. I have trouble walking long distances.
Of course, we can arrange a wheelchair for you. May I have your boarding pass?
Here it is.
Thank you. Please wait here for a moment while we get someone to assist you.
Thank you so much.
Asking about duty-free shopping.
Hi, where can I find the duty-free shops?
They are located after security, near Gate 10.
Do they sell electronics as well?
Yes, you can find electronics, cosmetics, and souvenirs there.
Great. Thanks for your help.
Upgrading to business class.
Hi, is it possible to upgrade my seat to business class?
Let me check. Yes, we have seats available. The upgrade fee is $250.
Can I pay by card?
Absolutely. Let me process that for you.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Asking about airport lounges.
Excuse me. Where is the airport lounge?
The lounge is on the second floor, next to gate 18.
Do I need a membership to enter?
You can enter with a business class ticket or a lounge membership.
Got it. Thank you.
Changing currency at the airport.
Hi. Where can I exchange currency?
There's a currency exchange counter near baggage claim.
Do they accept credit card payments for exchange?
No, you need to pay with cash.
Thanks for the info.